I'm James Bargibos, Director of FinanceWise Global Securities, AFSL number 397877. This is the third in a series of videos where we're asking you the question, why join our licence? This video specifically deals with the benefits of joining our licence. Video number 1 covered all sorts of different topics around accountants' options. Video number 2, we had an opportunity to review our interactive portal live, and we asked you the question, does your licensee offer this unique software? So now it comes time to really get your signature on the dotted line and try to explain to you why we would encourage you to join our licence. So the first of the benefits. 1, a simple and streamlined application process. So the first thing that needs to happen, so far as ASIC is concerned, when a licence is appointing authorised representatives, is we need to conduct our due diligence on you as an individual to determine if you have the character that they deem to be suitable. It's not us, that's them. So what happens? You'll send us through some information. You'll send us through hard copies of your driver's licence. You will forward us your education certificates and your qualifications. You will send to us your PI claims history, and you will also forward 5 of your last SMSF files. All of this information is compiled, and in about a couple of weeks we make an assessment. There's 2 other items you need to send through to us. 1 is a credit check, and 2 is a completed federal police check. Now, unfortunately, this element of the process does take some time. It can take up to 10 weeks. So that's why we're encouraging all accountants to deal with this process quickly, because if it's not in hand by March, then the opportunity for you to give licence advice may cease. Secondly, training. We offer training in all states to all advisors, and the training which we offer is quite diverse, and it's really designed for it to suit your circumstances. Some of us like face-to-face training, so we conduct professional development days. We organise annual conferences. We have superannuation masterclasses that are specifically designed for accountants. We also have strategic accounting advice days. Now, incidental to this, our requirements are that you have a recognised RG146 certificate. If you choose to take our training course, then your training requirements are covered off for almost 2 years. All accountants know they're required to do 15 CPD hours per year. Our requirement is you do 45 in 3 with a minimum of 8 hours annually. Audits, templates and marketing. Our unique portal enables our back office to be able to audit all of your files real time 24/7. Whenever information is loaded into the system, we can see it. Our audit process isn't designed to be onerous, but it's designed to educate. I had to start at day 1 as a financial advisor some years ago. Well, I understand what it's like, and we'll help you through the process. Our templates are already done. You want to have a look at them? Just drop us a line. In terms of marketing, we'll also give you some strategic advice on your branding. ASIC requires the avoidance of conflicts in branding between your accounting practice and your financial advice practice. There are some tricks that you need to cover off, and we'll help you manage that process so you get it right first time. Number 4, practice integration and a clearly defined client experience. Having been in financial services for 27 years, I'll be able to help your practice identify opportunities that might not readily be apparent. This will help your client in 3 ways. Firstly, we'll be able to save them money. Secondly, we'll be able to protect their risks. And thirdly, we'll be able to make them money. This will also help you spot opportunities and increase revenue for your practice. 5, and this is the bit that most accountants will want to know about, what does it cost? The first element of our cost is to do the initial audit and to make the assessment. The cost there is $550. It's non-refundable and it needs to be paid prior to the application being submitted to enable us to cover the cost to process the ASIC paperwork and also to pay for your federal police check. You'll also be required to pay an annual rate for your professional insurance. You'll pay a monthly fee of $55 for the software and a weekly fee depending upon when you make the application to commence with us. For all accountants who make an application prior to the end of the 1st of October, the fee will be $40 per week until March, when it will rise to the standard fee, which is $80. For all accountants who apply prior to the 1st of January 2016, the weekly fee will be $60 until the 1st of March. For all accountants who apply to join our licence on or after the 1st of March, the weekly fee will be $100 ongoing. It will be far more expensive than those who join prior, because we need to make sure that we can service the accountants who have taken the time to go through the process early, and we want to make sure you're taken care of. Finally, we're also offering a profit share arrangement for the first 50 accountants who join our firm. Once we make profit, we'll pool 4% and we'll send that back to you. For the next 50 accountants that join our firm, your pool will be 2%. The next 100 will be 1%. Our aim is that all accountants who become authorised representatives under our licence will never actually have to pay a fee. I hope that covers off all of the features and benefits and costs relating to joining our licence. So this is where the third topic, why join our licence, concludes. I'd like to thank you for watching these videos and for taking your time to understand what our offering entails. My name's James Bargibos. I'm the Director of FinanceWise Global Securities, AFSL 397877.